It is Monday morning, guys. Monday morning where you need to pick up your bag and baggages and start creating content and thank me later. I will keep telling you, no matter what you do on YouTube, just keep going. You will get monetized. You will make money out of every part of your hustle. See, let me just be honest with you guys. A lot of people will not survive YouTube. Just few will survive YouTube. And those few that will survive YouTube are people that are willing to stand strong, are people that are not willing to give up, are people that are willing to say, no matter what it takes, I'm still going to make it out here on YouTube. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning into it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into the gist of today. So today I am basically here to motivate you as someone that is always encouraging you on your journey on YouTube. And reason why I am here this morning is because I want to tell you that a lot of people will not survive YouTube. You understand? A lot of people will leave YouTube. A lot of people will give up at some point. Because why? They are not seeing the views, they are not seeing the watch hour, they are not seeing the subscribers, no matter how hard they are trying to do it, or they are not seeing the money if they are monetized. So because of these reasons, they are going to leave YouTube, and at the end of the day, it is going to be to their own disadvantage. Now, for the few that will remain on YouTube, I call it few because yes, a lot has already given up already, right? You are still going to stand the opportunity of getting every single thing that you need to get. So one of the advice I'll give to you this morning is, no matter how tough your journey is, do not give up on YouTube. That is one of the advice I will give you. No matter how stranded you think you are, do not give up on YouTube. YouTube is a platform for every single person. If you think that your journey is harder, check other social media platforms. You will know that their journey is even more tougher. One beautiful part I love about YouTube is if you keep to the YouTube rules and regulation, you know the exact thing you're doing on YouTube. You know every single step you're taking on YouTube. There is no way you are going to be missing it out. You understand? But if you go to all other of the social media platform like Facebook, for example, you find out that even what you think is right that you're doing is not even right in their side. Like there's a lot of complication, but YouTube makes every single thing easy. So that's why when people come to me and tell me that Vibe with Sonia, YouTube is hard, I tell people that YouTube is not hard. Your own is know what you're going to be bringing, which is valuable content. And if you know how to be bringing valuable content, just keep pushing them out back to back every single time. Trust me, you are seamlessly going to navigate YouTube. Don't be among those few that will run away. Don't be among those few that will not want to make money. Don't be among those few that will be like, oh, I am tired, I'm frustrated, I need to leave this place. It's going to be at your own loss. It's going to be at your own loss. That is why you see people here, they'll always tell you that, oh, I've been here for 8 years, I'm not monetized. I've been here for 6 years, I've been here for 4 years, I've been here for 3 years. If you check their journey, they are not taking YouTube as serious as they are supposed to take their YouTube channel. You understand? I have people I've actually started with as well that at some point they are no longer doing YouTube. I have people that are still doing YouTube, but now they're even almost giving up. Sometimes they'll come and be like, Vibes, are you even sure I can still do this? Are you even sure YouTube is still for me? But what do? I encourage them and I tell them that yes, YouTube is still for you because I've seen the proof in my life. One thing that works very well on YouTube is consistency. The only mistake you will do is taking a longer break and saying, oh, I'm going to come back in the next 2 weeks. I'm going to come back in the next 1 year. I'm going to come back. Oh, I'm breastfeeding. Oh, I'm doing this. I'm doing that. You're killing the channel. You understand? Just keep uploading, keep feeding the algorithm what the algorithm need to see. Keep pulling out the content that the algorithm need to help you to push. Trust me, you will not regret it. You understand? No matter how people are saying, oh, YouTube is tough, YouTube is this, YouTube is that, you will find out that you are going to be on the safer side. One of the mistakes I see people make a whole lot again is bringing out content that you know that it is not valuable. Your thumbnail is not clickable. Your thumbnail is not catchy. Your thumbnail, nobody will even see it and be like, oh, I want to click. They will just sit and just swipe past to the next one. Why do you think that YouTube will want to push out videos that their thumbnail is not catchable? You understand? I don't want you to be among the few that would give up on YouTube. I want you to be among the few that will survive on YouTube. And that's why I'm bringing all of this motivation to you. It is Monday morning, like I will keep screaming, like I will keep saying it. Go ahead, pull out your content, upload, do what you know how to do best, and trust me, you will definitely not regret this. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.